The LANT-380 is one of the latest confined space drones on the market, offering smart remote control. This is the switch button and network cable interface. Equipped with 16,000 lumens LED and HD camera for clear real-time imaging. With 3D Lidar positioning, it operates without GNSS signals. The drone's length is 379.6 millimeters and its height is 318 millimeters. This is the base of the drone. Its collision-resistant design features a protective cage, ensuring continuous operation even in the most hazardous conditions. The 16,000 lumens LED and HD camera provide real-time image transmission and 3D point cloud post-processing. Paired with an automatic charging nest, it enables autonomous flight in indoor, enclosed spaces, facilitating unattended operations.